right, welcome back. I just went through my weekly outlook. I will be uploading that soon, but I did want to come on here and break down this massive $12,000 trade I was able to find last week, right? So how did I find it, or what was I looking for, right? Obviously, if you go back into my weekly outlook, you can see where exactly my zone was called out and how I found it, right? But in this video, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to just talk and dive right into how I found, or what I was looking for when I found my entry, okay? This is US30. When I came in the market, I was looking for price to give me some type of pullback or drive under or into the zone, which we obviously got, right? From there, I went on down to my lower time frame. I wasn't looking for any type of entries over here, as then price just was in momentum, and I wanted to wait till structure was broke on the upside, right? Because if structure is not broken, you're going to continue to see price make lower lows until structure finally gets broken, right? So as we had this bear minor trend, price was going to continue bearish until it broke upwards, right? So what had happened down here, okay? My bread and butter setup that I will post a screenshot that I had was looking like this, okay? I said, and I didn't even have to say anything, but if price were to come back into the zone, give us some type of bull entry, I would be taking that on up. And obviously right here, exact same formation has happened. Now, I didn't get the sniper entry that I was looking for, but it was still sniper enough that this was the very bottom of the trend, right? My entry did come a little late. Stop was below the last confirmed low, and I just took it on up to the very high. I am still currently holding this. As I said, price will continue to make what? Continue to make higher highs and higher lows until structure gets broke. So with that being said, I still am in this trade. What will more than likely happen, we will probably see price stall in this area, build some type of confirmation or some type of level before taking price back on higher, right? But let's go on down back to my entry, okay? As I did say, this is my bread and butter entry. Why? Because here and only here did you see price break structure. So if I come over here and draw this up, you can see we had the exact same formation, right? Boom, price broke structure here, indicating to me that we were going or may possibly continue on upwards. Right now, just because price was broken, I don't take those entries, as in those could be a trap to continue on lower. What you want to do is wait for the retracement, right? Wait for the retracement and the close of a bull candle or bearish candle, depending on the type of trend you are looking for. But obviously here we had the bull close. I'll highlight it for you, and that was way more than enough to let me know that there was enough buyers to possibly take this on up. And it's simple as that. I got in the trade, and you can see price never even came back. Obviously, it was probably due to some type of economic news that came out that helped push this upwards. But you can see as I just followed structure, followed price, we were able to find my trade, and this paid well.